Welcome to Taha Kids, where we learn and play all day. Come on and smile with us today.
Baby elephant, stalk, stop, stomp, praying in the grass with a jump and hop. Flappy little ears go swish, 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 wiggly tiny tail doing swish, swish, swish. Baby elephant sprays water high, making rainbow colors in the sky. Trumpet loud and happy, toot, 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 all the jungle friends come dancing, shoom. Big round feet go thump all day, splashing in puddles while they play. Rolling in the mud with a silly grin, where happy little elephant loves to spin. Tiny birds sit on its back, come along on the jungle track. Monkey waves from a banana tree, and come and play with me. Baby elephant loves to eat juicy watermelon, tastes so sweet. Crunchy apples, leafy greens, yummiest snacks he's ever seen. Through the jungle he will roam, they everywhere feels just like home. Dancing softly side to side with mommy elephant by his side. When the rain goes drip, drop, drip, baby elephant takes a slippery slip, then gets up with a funny sound and laughs and rolls upon the ground. Stars twinkle in the sky so bright, fireflies glow in the quiet night. Baby elephant closes his eyes, we dreaming under moonlit skies. Baby elephant loves to eat juicy watermelon, tastes so sweet.
Taha Kids, join the fun. Subscribe now, everyone. Bye-bye.